Hello everyone, this is my first attempt to use Artflow for my cooking channel. The first recipe that came to my mind is sweet soy sauce. It is quick and easy to make, the ingredients are readily available and it is so delicious. The ingredients we need are the following. 1 cup each of soy sauce and brown sugar, 1 1/3 cups water and ½ tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Pour soy sauce, sugar and water onto a small cooking pot. Stir to dissolve the sugar and cook over medium heat. Once the mixture comes to a boil, lower heat and cook for 5 minutes uncovered. Add ½ tablespoon of cinnamon powder and continue to cook for another 5 minutes. Stir constantly so that the mixture won't stick to the pan. After cooking, let the mixture cool down.
Can be used as a dipping sauce
or stored in a clean bottle for later use. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet video. Thanks for watching.